Hello guys, I made this amazing website using AI. Let me show you around. See, everything was made without coding or drag and drop, and I'm going to show you how to design this website in less than 30 minutes. See, this is the home page. Let me click on the about page. See, this is the about page. I didn't enter any line of code, just use AI to design this amazing school website. Offerings, look at it, looking nice. Is this not amazing? Do you want to learn how to design this website? Okay, then I'm going to walk you through how to design one for yourself or for any company. See, looking nice. Contact page. So that's my contact number. You can reach me on this line if you want to learn more about websites, or you want me to design a website for you, school, company, church. You can contact me. Let me show you the number again. Okay, so that's it. Noka International School. I was just playing around. I said, let me do something, and in less than 30 minutes I created this amazing website. If you want to learn, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Noka Digitals, and you'll be able to have the videos when it's uploaded. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.